Several families move from one place to another. Bittu family is one such family. Bittu's family lived in a village. It did agriculture. Bittu's family faced starvation due to famine for 3 years continuously. Thus, Bittu went to his nephew's village along with his family and his cattle. There he got a house on rent and then started searching for same work. After some time he got work, so he lived there only along with his family. It was not easy to there. He started missing his village. After few months he came to know that this time his village he has received good rain. What then he come back to his village with his family and cattle. Samir, who had a small family including his wife, a son and a daughter, worked in the village and daily wages. His son was studying in class 12th and daughter in class 9th. When his son passed his board examination, he had to send him from the village to get higher education. He thought he soon would have to stay there along for studies, and it would be more costly. After 3 years, he will have to send his daughter out of village for higher education. Hence he decided that because in the village he is working as a laborer on a daily basis, and in the city too he will do same, so he will get shifted there with his family. When he went there, he faced difficulty in getting house on rent. Due to high rent, he had to take a room on rent in the city. His family had to live, sleep and cook in the same room. His neighborhood was also new for him. He had to put more efforts to meet his daily needs. Also city being costlier, he worked in the day as a laborer and as a security guard in the night. He decided to go back to his village at the completion of education of his children. You might have seen around you that some children have to leave their homes for higher education. They live in a hostel to get a room on rent for their studies at other places.